So hello guys, welcome. Again, ang ating gagawin is IPv4 network addressing. So sabi dito sa step 1, open natin yung CMD. Then, next, type natin ipconfig, enter. Then, ipconfig /all. Next, lipat tayo sa ACID M01. Okay. Type natin sa kanyang taskbar, open natin si CMD. Next, type natin config /all, enter. Okay. So, sa ating ACID M01 sa command prompt, type natin ping 8.8.8.8 space dash s space 169.254.34.34, enter. Hmm. Ulit. Ping 8. Okay. So let's close the CMD prompt. Now, balik tayo sa isang server. And let's close the CMD prompt. Next, subnetting. Assign static IP address. So, sa ating taskbar, right-click natin. network and internet settings. Select advanced network settings. On the advanced network settings, select internet. Internet 2. Select view additional property. Select. For the IP assignment, select natin tong edit. Then, select natin ito as manual. IPv4. Then, lagyan natin IP address is 10.0.0.33. Subnet mask 255.255.255.0. And let's click save. Nice. So, let's observe the IP assignment on the view additional. Properties page. To confirm the intended IP address settings are correct, note that ICI Win 11 has been assigned an IP address. Okay. So next, connect tayo sa ICI DM01. On the taskbar, type the following sa ating search field, network status. Ating network status, pindutin natin itong status. Okay. Sa network status, hanapin natin itong change adapter options. Then pindot. And then, right-click natin ito and select properties. Then, sa properties nito, select natin yung Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Then, select properties. Now, in the Internet Protocol version window, select natin yung radio button. For the use of the following IP address. Internet Protocol version 4, properties, window, type natin ito, IP address, 10.0.0.99. Then, yung subnet mask, 255.255.255.0. And, click natin OK. Now, i-close na natin ito. Then, on the taskbar, open ulit natin sa CMD. Then, type natin ping 10.0.0.33. Enter. Okay. Next, conduct subnetting. Now, network connection. Now, sa network connection, right-click ulit natin to. And let's select properties. In the Internet 2 properties, select Internet Protocol ulit. Ito. And properties. Now, dito sa Internet Protocol version 4, properties window, i-type natin sa subnet mask, which is ito. So, palitan na lang natin yung dulo ng 192. And then, click natin OK. And after that, pwede na natin siyang i-close. And close na rin natin itong network connections natin na window. Yan. And then, punta tayo dito sa ACI Win11. In the View Additional Properties, select natin yung edit para sa IP assignment, which is ito. Next, sa subnet mask niya, palitan lang natin yung 0 ng 192. And then let's click Save. Now, close na natin to. Then, open natin yung CMD or command prompt. Let's type ping 10.0.0.33, enter. After nun, let's close the CMD. Next. So, let's open yung Wireshark. Then, double-click ulit natin itong internet. Then, type natin ICMP. Then, sa ating taskbar ulit, syempre, open natin yung CMD or command prompt. Then, type ping 192.168.0.1. Then, balik tayo kay Wireshark. Pinutin natin ito syempre. Sa Wireshark, select the shark fin icon to start capturing packets. Then, continue without saving lang. In the taskbar, so, punta ulit tayo kay CMD. Then, ping 127.0.0.1. Enter. And balik tayo kay Wireshark. Pinging the loopback address 127.0.0 does not result in ICMP packets being captured in Wireshark because the packets are not transmitted over any physical network interface. Instead, they are processed internally by the device network stack without being sent out. So in the taskbar, select balik tayo kay CMD. And type ulit natin itong ping 127.99.99.99. Enter. Then, punta tayo kay Wireshark. So, as before, loopback address packets are processed internally by the device's network stack and do not traverse physical network interfaces, making them inaccessible to Wireshark. So, pwede natin i-close yung Wireshark window. Quit without saving. And close the command prompt.